Welcome friends. Today I am going to talk on linkage and linkage mapping. Let's start with introduction. In this DNA age, with help of large throughput technologies, the science of genetics is potential enough to make lucid the phenomena of similarity and variation in individuals as well among various populations. Here, similarity along with variation is paradoxical aspects of nature regarding science of genetics or inheritance. Heredity. Heredity is the passing of characters to the offspring from its parents or ancestors. This is the process by which an offspring acquires or becomes predisposed to the characteristics of its parents. The process of transmission of characters from parents to the offspring or next generation is either by sexual or asexual reproduction. As our routine, we all very well know that brother and sister mean siblings of the same parents resemble each other and with their parents in many aspects such as their facial features, behavior and many more. So, heredity. Heredity is the reason for similarities between individuals and population. However, on the other side, in any population, no two individuals are genetically identical or we can say similar. Even monozygotic or identical twins are recognized as a distinctive by their parents who develop from same zygote have infrequent characteristic differences. Here we try to make known that it is due to variation. Hence, variation is the reason of differences between individuals or population. That is why siblings who do resemble each other and also to some extent with their parents are still unique personalities. So, these two, heredity as well variations, though contradictory elements in the science of genetics, today in this lecture we understand the mechanisms and the basis for a same by one such dynamic, that is linkage study. Now we will see the history. The scientist Gregor John Mendel had done pioneer work in classical genetics with garden pea plants. On basis of the results of his experiments, he recognized and formulated 3 laws to understand inheritance as well its mechanism. Among these, Mendel's second law of independent assortment, that is genes or factors for 2 or more traits can be segregated independently during the formation of gametes, giving different traits an identical opportunity of occurring together. So, derived because the traits studied by Gregor Mendel were determined by genes or factors on different chromosomes, not on the same or position closer in the same chromosome. When the genes are present on the different chromosomes, then the transmission or inheritance pattern of those genes may be either apart from each other or together. However, those genes which are very close or nearer to each other on same chromosome have very well chance to inherit together in next generation or in the next cell division. Such type of coexistence of 2 or more genes in the same chromosome is called linkage. In year 1903, the scientist Sutan proposed a relation between linked gene and Mendel's second law by suggest that some genes particularly on the same chromosome are linked or closer together in a group in transmission during cell division or at the time of inheritance. The phenomenon of linkage was first discovered by Bateson, Saunders and Punnett shortly after found results of the dihybrid cross experiments in peas different from Mendelism. The study involves 2 traits such as flower color, that is purple versus red, with second trait for pollen shape, that is long versus round. Moreover, The dogma of linkage was expanded by the work of Morgan and American embryologists with chromosome theory of heredity with a very suitable material, that is Drosophila. His observation that the amount of crossing over between linked genes differs lead to the idea that crossover frequency might indicate the distance separating genes on the chromosome. Morgan became the first genetist to be awarded Nobel Prize in Medicine in the year 1934. In the linkage relationship, there may be two phases, first is coupling and second is repulsion, regarding gene position on the chromosome. The term coupling refers to the situation when two dominant alleles of gene present in one parent and the two recessive are located on the same homologous chromosome. Thus, both dominant gene pass together into one gametes in one parent and both recessive together in the other parent. Another term, that is repulsion, means the parents were heterozygous in the above case. Here, two dominant genes come from the different parents. In a simple term, genes are present on opposite homologous chromosomes, hence it termed as repulsion phase. Now we will discuss linkage group. In linkage, whatever linked or nearer gene present on the same chromosome are tend to move or inherited together at a form of linkage group. In Drosophila, characteristics such as white eye, miniature wings, yellow body and many more are grouped or linked genes which mostly tend to inherit together. Such type of gene on same chromosome tends to move as a unit rather than independently during cell division. The linkage groups of a species are always equal to the haploid chromosome set of that species. In this regard, let us have an example of Drosophila. Drosophila has 4 linkage groups and 4 pairs of chromosomes, while in human 23 pairs of chromosomes and at the same time 23 pairs of linkage groups are observed. However, in human female, that is 46, XX with above concern is proper because only one homomorphic X or sex group, while in male that is always 46, XY, there are 24 linkage groups have been observed. Due to true heteromorphic sex chromosome, that is X, as well Y linkage groups or one Y linkage group or chromosome. Here we can also determine that the length of chromosome is also dependent on the number of genes located on the chromosome. As seen with chromosomes of Drosophila, the 4th number chromosome is smallest due to it contains or cottage for a less number of genes compared to other 3. Moreover, genes on the X or Y chromosome are called sex-linked genes. In genetics, the sex linkage is also well-known word to regard as disorders related to sex chromosomes. It is the tendency of characteristics to be linked to either one sex. In human, sex-linked or X-linked diseases include such as Duchenne muscular dystrophy, color blindness, hemophilia and many more. Further, in humans, many more genes are present on the X compared to the Y chromosome. So, many more X-linked traits than Y-linked, as the traits or characteristics are simply inherited from father to son with no interchromosomal recombinations. Let's see linkage types. As now we all understood about linkage, that means the coexistence of 2 or more genes in the same chromosome. Moreover, in such linkage study, there are 2 types such as complete and incomplete type have been observed by scientist Morgan and his co-workers during their experiments on Drosophila and other organisms. Let's start with complete type of linkage. In complete type of linkage, genes are so nearer linked that they tend to move or inherit together only to the offspring. Moreover, we can say in such type traits or characteristic of paternal combinations appear together for 2 or more generations in continuous and regular manner. Let us have an example. In Drosophila, genes for red eye and long wing is crossed to, that is, purple eye and vestigial wing. The progeny or the offspring of all F1 generation are heterozygous. When these F1 offspring are test crossed to the homozygous recessive, are produced only 2 types of offspring in the ratio of 1:1, is like paternal type phenotype such as purple eye and vestigial wings, as well red eye and long wing. Coming to second type, that is incomplete type of linkage. Such type of linkage is accomplished through a process known as crossing over. Crossing over is the phenomenon of exchange or interchanging between homologous chromosomal material or parts during cell division, and it leads to recombination for that gene or character. In genome of any species, when widely located homologous chromosomal gene gets chance to separate by crossing over are known as incomplete linked gene, and the process of their passing from parents to the offspring is termed as incomplete type of linkage. Hence, incomplete linkage is responsible for generation of novel combinations of gene in the offspring due to phenomena of crossing over in between the linked gene present on homologous chromosomes. Let's see example. Morgan and his students have found that linked genes show varied recombinations, some being more tightly linked than others. In Drosophila, when crossing over of grey and vestigial with black and long one, the F1 generations is all heterozygous grey and long. On test cross of this, the F1 progeny, Morgan observed that the 2 genes did not segregate independently of each other, and therefore the F2 ratio deviates significantly from expected, that is 9:3 3:3 1 ratio. He found 83% to be parental and only 17, that is 17% due to crossing over phenomena. Let's know importance of linkage. The phenomena of linkage is very well responsible for reducing the possibility of variations among individuals unless the incidence of recombinations. Hence, we can say similar traits or similarities are maintained for generations. Now we will see linkage detection. To recognize linkage in genes, the easiest stage is to compare the number of individuals in the phenotypic classes showed in the offspring of F2 generation of dihybrid cross on the basis of Mendel's second law and know goodness of fit with chi-square test study. Another matter is test cross such as F1 generation with recessive allele, that is AABB. Such test cross results will turn out as represented on the screen classes in the ratio of 1:1:1, and departure from this ratio could be detected from chi-square study. However, further experimentation is needed to make sure about linkage and to know that the association is not because of other reasons. In sum, we can say that linkage is the phenomenon of genes that are located close to each other on a same chromosome to pass together during cell division. Those genes whose loci are closer to each other are less likely to be separated during chiasma formation and crossing over, and therefore said to be linked gene. In other terms, the nearer 2 genes are on a chromosome, the lower is the chance of exchange occurring between them, and the more likely they are to be inherited together unless recombination occurs. Let's see what is linkage mapping. In year 1911, first time scientist Sturtevant portrayed a linkage map for two chromosomes of Drosophila. Then after, bridges had been constructed map for other chromosomes of Drosophila. In recent era, researchers have constructed linkage maps for many other organisms such as human, maize and many more with latest high throughput available technologies. A linkage mapping or genetic mapping is a map of a species or individual that shows the position of its known genes or genetic markers relative to each other in terms of recombination frequency, rather than a specific physical distance along each chromosome. Linkage or genetic mapping helps scientists to locate other markers such as other genes by testing for genetic linkage of the already known markers. A linkage or genetic map shows the genes along a chromosome in linear order with distance proportional to recombination frequency. Here, when the distance is more between the linked genes, the greater the chance that known sister chromatids would cross over in the region between the genes, and hence the greater recombination chance or frequency. Further, we can say by determining the frequency of recombination or chance of recombination, one can obtain a measure of a map distance between the genes. In mapping, one map unit, that is MU, is equal to 1% recombination frequency. A map unit is also equivalent to the physical distance along with a chromosome which will experience one crossover event in every 50 meiotic divisions. Here, two genes that recombine with a frequency of 1% are said to be one map unit apart from each other. In honor of work performed by the scientist T. H. Morgan, a map unit is also known as centimorgans. The position on the linkage or genetic map and on the chromosome where a gene is located is called the gene locus. For example, the locus of the body color gene and the locus of the eye color gene are 10 map unit or 10 centimorgan apart. Summary. Let us summarize the topic. In this time, we had discussed what linkage is and its brief history, describing the groundwork did by various scientists for understanding the phenomenon of linkage. We had also seen the concept of linkage and studied its two phases, that are coupling and repulsion. We also studied its two types on basis of its inheritance, that is complete and incomplete linkages, as well as their importance in heredity traits. Finally, we highlighted other related topics, that are the linkage group, detection of linkage as well linkage mapping. Thank you.